crappy weather, or they don't have enough work to do, then that's when they get moody.
My goat's over there pounding the trailer. Or the wheelbarrow.
That's called burr comb. That's excess comb that their bodies are producing. They need something to do with it, and since you didn't have extra boxes of undrawn foundation,
They're just putting it wherever.
they got to shove it somewhere, so they just start packing it anywhere they can.
Ooh, that one looks full of honey.
I didn't push it away like I should have. Yeah. Nice good frame of honey.
Yeah.
And so they probably got quite a bit off the dandelions when they bloomed this last couple weeks.
Uh-huh.
And that's where they replenish their stores. That's the first thing they really get any nectar off of in the spring here. And they did real well.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
They wintered strong, and this is a good, healthy looking hive.
Fantastic. Oh, look at that. Got him.
Devils.
Going after the honey?
Yeah, or they'll grab a bee sometimes, or a larva.
That'd been kind of cool to see.
I'm sorry.
We'll do that.
I'll let it go next time for the Nature Channel.
Yeah.
I can't believe the pollen that they've got accumulated. 3 frames in again. But then it goes to solid brood. Very nice. Your queen's doing a good job.
Hey, we breed only the best too.
This should be one of those. Yeah, this hive will put away. This will do really well for you this year for honey. You're going to need a couple extra. Well, if you've got, I guess I'd put the drawn comb on first, and then the foundation on top of that. See what they do in a month. Honey flow doesn't start till about the second week of June.
Yeah. I gotta go get one of those queen extractor things too to keep her out of the excluders. Yeah.
Didn't I leave you one of those?
Yeah, I think I got it in the garage.
Why don't you
Wanna go grab it?
Before we're done, let's put that on here.
Yeah. Hey, what? I'll go grab that right now then.
She's not marked.
You see her?
Yeah. I am
right there.
I'm suspicious that that's not the same queen.
The original one?
They've potentially replaced her. That looks like a pretty young, healthy, vibrant.
That's a good thing though, yeah?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
But what you should have in here is at least a 2-year-old queen. And she looks great.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to go grab that excluder and I'll be right back.